What's up, guys? Thank you guys so much for tuning back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be back working on my Jeep Cherokee behind me. You guys have been requesting a lot, Eric, how do you take the doors off? So I'm gonna go through step by step exactly how I did it a few years ago. We're gonna take the doors off, go through it all, and then do some cruising around. It's about 80 degrees outside. Nice, take the doors off and just have a good day. So let's get to it and roll the intro.
I got crazy thoughts that stay on my mind. I promise I'm fine. I'm doing alright. Then I'm back again.
Guys, if you guys have been following the channel for a while, you do know that I've had this Jeep for about four years or so, 4 or 5 years. We bought it stock, as you can see in this picture. Bought it pretty much stock, have rebuilt the entire thing. And we've been going through some maintenance the past few weeks. That's why it's been in here. But today, we're gonna go through how I took the doors off, and we're gonna take them off and probably leave them off for a while just because it's summertime and it's gonna be fun. It's really not super complicated. I did it when I bought this thing when I was 17 because I was young, dumb, and I'm still an idiot. But basically all you really need to do is, there's a couple ways of going about and doing it. What we did for this is we ended up drilling out the hinges, taking the old pin out and making a removable hinge, which I'll show you guys how that works and everything, and then how the electronics are removable and all the speakers still work. But anyway, let's move over to the passenger door over here, and I'll give you guys a step by step on what we're gonna do. Okay guys, so it's pretty easy. Basically here, there's 2 hinges here and here. I'll show a video of it. 2 hinges here and here. Basically what we did was drill out the hinge. We cut the old hinge pin out. Instead of putting a new hinge in, we got these removable bolts. They'll go in, take the place of where the pin was, and did that for the top, for the bottom. So basically all you have to do is, whenever you want to do it, just tap the pins out and the doors can come off. Super simple. So after that, the big thing is the electronics. We got our speakers here. I have all power locks and windows and everything, so it makes it a little difficult. What it is, the wires go through this harness right here into the kicker panel, which is right here. All you have to do, take the kicker panel off, unplug the electronics, and wire them back through. So it's a little annoying, but I did it different on the back. I'll show you guys. But let's go ahead, take the front doors off, show you guys on time lapse how quick I can do it. I mean, I haven't done it since last year, the first time of the year, but it's not super complicated. And go ahead and pop them off. So guys, now that the door's off, I can really show you guys exactly what's going on. But basically, you have your hinges here. They are one solid piece. So what we had to do was cut the old hinge out, and then I bought these cattle hinges. I buy them at Tractor Supply, Royal King, wherever. And they are 3/8 hinges, or 3/8 pins. They come with a little clasp that comes around. Cut the clasp off, and then what you'll do is you'll drill this out to a 3/8. Just like how, and we'll do to the other hinge. Take this pin, slides through, perfect. There's a little bit of play, not too much. You're able to slide it in and out. Do it with the bottom as well. Super easy. All you have to do is, and these are a couple dollars. No, it's real simple. All right guys, and moving on to the back door, it's the same concept. Drill the 2 hinges out, but there is no disconnect for the wiring harness in there, so we had to make our own. The only difference is the hinges are exactly the same, but yeah, there's this door striker here. There is on the front, but I disconnected mine. And then the wiring harness, we had to end up just cutting it open and then putting some butt connectors on it. There's only 4 or 5 wires, so it's not too big of a deal. And all my connections still work after about a few years. It's been about 3 years since I did this, but unplug these, disconnect the striker, and undo the 2 bolts, and it's good to go. Guys, I actually just found some pins. I always keep some extra ones in the trunk just in case I lose one or something happens. But all they are is tractor 3-point linkage parts. 3/8 pins, and they just look like this. A pack of 2 is like $2 or $3. And all you're gonna do is, they come with these block pins. Just cut them off and just have a pin, bare pin, and then you just use those pins. Sometimes you have to trim up a little bit off this just to fit clearances through the doors and stuff, but super simple. Buy a 2-pack of them. I got these at Rural King for I think $3, $4, so super simple. Show you guys. That's the part numbers, everything. But yeah, I'm gonna finish cleaning the Jeep out and then we're gonna go on a ride. So guys, we are gonna now be back detailing the Jeep XJ again. I've been doing a lot of work to it behind the scenes. Basically, I couldn't really make any videos on it. It was kind of a slow progression. But the transmission mount was blown and the axle leaf U-bolts had broken. So actually my axle was kind of walking around. So that's why it's been in here. We've been detailing the F100 for the past like 2 weeks, which has been nice, and I've been so happy to drive that truck some more because it really doesn't get the love it deserves. But I have some projects for that thing coming up, so you guys will see that soon. Clean up the engine bay, clean the carb, and maybe some go fast parts. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go ahead, back the Jeep out, pull the F100 in, and we're gonna go on a little cruise to the gym. I gotta get my workout in, and then we'll talk some more. So let's do it. Guys, I was just kind of thinking, you guys really haven't seen this truck recently at all. This is my 1978 F100 Ford 302. My grandpa he bought it off the lot in 1978, and whenever he passed it down to me, I restored it. We did a full restoration on it, paint job and all that. It still needs a little bit of interior work, but this truck has over half a million miles on it, on the same engine. It's been rebuilt once back in the day at some point, but stock engine, same stock 302, 3-speed transmission, and it still runs and drives great, but it needs a tune-up, needs a little bit of work done. So we're gonna be doing that in the next few weeks. But now I'm gonna go to the gym, and let's take the Jeep and have some fun with it. Okay guys, I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but we were just driving. I was trying to take you guys some drone footage, and I passed a cop and he saw the remote control in my hand and he pulled me over. I don't know if you guys saw on the drone, so but footage got cut short. He didn't write me a ticket, but he was like, what are you doing, man? You don't have any doors on your Jeep, and you're holding a big remote control. And I was like, dude, my drone's about to die. It's up here. And he's like, looked up, he's like, oh crap, that's yours. So, but sorry, footage was cut short. Next time we will do better about drone footage. But hey, I'm gonna cut the video here. Thank you guys a ton for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed me talking about the doors and everything a little bit. I haven't really taken them off in about a year, just because I haven't really felt the need to, but I figured, you know what, might as well do it. I got a week of it's not supposed to rain, so it should be nice, have the doors off, and I can film a little bit of content for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys a ton, and if you haven't checked out the old Jeep videos, check them out. Next video we should be working on Fiona, the 65 Mustang, so just stay tuned for all that. You guys, you know the drill. Anyway, I love you guys a ton. See you later.